Hello and welcome back for my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday 28th of June, and that is gold. And this gold chart is consolidating. It had the roll back from the top at 1439. That bull run just lost steam at that level, has actually to its corrective limit unwound around about $40 from there. 39, $40. But that's at the point at which yesterday's low, and then you saw an intraday rally into the close, and then it's just maintained a little bit of a rebound move today. And you look at the technically, the momentum indicators are still very strong. RSI holding above 70, MACD lines still rising. Stochastics, do they look as though they're going to have that little slip back to 80 and then turn higher again? So I think that given the fact that we've got the 23.6% Fibonacci level around 1399 as well, this is clearly a key level of support area. 23.6% Fib, if you lose that, you're theoretically back towards 38.2, which is 1373. So under $1,400, I think is a corrective aspect that could gather momentum, and you've got the pivot at 1400 as well. It's also a psychological level, so I think that if we start to see gold trading with a 1300 handle, then I think we're in corrective territory. If it holds above 1400, we're still consolidating and potentially positioning for a retest of the high again. So I think it's a fairly positive outlook that we're maintaining on gold at the moment, certainly on a technical basis. The correction hasn't really taken hold. It's been maintained for now. Now, the interesting thing will be how the market reacts to this failure at 1424 today. 1424, which has been the reaction high. If we move back towards 1400 again from that level, then you could start to question whether there is more of a corrective outlook building. But for now, I think we're still hanging on to relatively positive configuration on the momentum. A little bit of a less positive bias, you could argue, given the fact that the RSI went to 30, MACD lines below neutral. I still think that you've got to take this as a fairly positive setup still, but not as positive as it was. Maybe gold is consolidating, but I think it's going to take a lot of direction out of the G20 meeting and the trade negotiation between President Trump and Xi of China. And how that pans out, I think, is going to be important for gold. But for now, the market is gold price is holding up above 1400, so that maintains a fairly positive outlook. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.